Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to Knott's Berry Farm. So we just arrived, and you don't have to wear a mask if you're vaccinated, and we're both fully vaccinated, so we're gonna wear it on the rides and like inside, but outside
we're gonna be free.
Yeah. We're going on the Jaguar first. Okay guys, we just got in an accident. The thing crashed into the side, and it wasn't even the side, it was like this big board, and then it crashed right into it at the end of the ride. So we're gonna go on the Coast Rider.
My fins are actually gonna break. I shouldn't have tightened them. Something creepy is gonna happen.
What?
My legs are gonna snap off. Holy Jesus!
So we can't film on this one because we did it like 2 years ago, and then we got in trouble.
We went to go claim our picture. We got in trouble because we violated the park policy.
So we're just gonna ride it and tell you how it went. So we just got off, and the line was probably like an hour and a half or something. And then, yeah, it was fun. So my seatbelt fell off on the ride. I got a lemonade, she got a Coke, and then we're gonna try this game because I really want one of those. So we just played some games, and now we're gonna go to the log ride or something else.
break into his motel room because his parents aren't there.
We're at PF Chang's and we have our own seat, so it's not like we're not next to anybody. And yeah, I'm getting chicken and broccoli and wonton soup. Here's a haul of what I got at Knott Farms. Ignore the subtitles, it's loud in here, so I have to use them. I got this ring pop. I got these magnet. And then I got this one.